Good morning! It is Monday and we have lots of plans for this week. I need to make a lot of moulds. I've got a few moulds that are sort of still curing and then I'll be popping them out of the moulds. Then the other job is starting the Camaro for the very first time. The fuel system is all installed. There's fuel in the car. Tom's installed all of the wiring, sort of like a trial fit, and we'll just see if the engine actually makes some engine sounds. And yeah, I hope so.
You never know.
You ready? Yeah?
Yeah, try it. There we go.
Welcome to Rock Up Racing!
Burn the track with hearts ablaze. Push the limits, feel the craze. Victory's fuel, no fear, no escaping. This is the anthem of Rock Up Racing.
So this is the inner part of the door. It's had two lots of gel coat, so it is ready for the coupling coat. Like, it is gelled enough where you put your finger, like when you put the test is to see if it's ready. As you put your thumb on it, it leaves like a thumbprint on it, but it's not like the gel coat doesn't move with your thumb. So that's about ready. Prime for coupling coat. So what I'm going to do now is cut some 2 layers of 100 GSM chop strand mat, like fiberglass matting. I'll cut it so it's easy to apply straight onto here, and then I can start mixing the coupling coat resin, and then I'll put that back in the shed. That will go off, and then when it's sort of at the right time, I'll be able to then do the tooling resin, which is like the heavier strand fiberglass matting along with the resins. And then after all of that is done, that would be the mold completely ready. Right, good morning. It's Wednesday morning. I've got the coupling coats gone off on this wing. This is the first wing I made, so obviously I've got the skin mould done, so I just need to get these returned. So the coupling coat's gone off now. I'm a bit tired. I was at a gig last night. Anyway, so this morning we're going to put the tooling resin on and, I don't know, like 3 layers of 450 GSM chop strand fiberglass. Right, today is demolding day. I've got several panels that are ready to have the steel panels popped out of the mould, and we'll see if the moulds I've been working on the last few weeks are any good, because if they're not, I quit. So that is one of the front wing moulds completely done. and it has come out so nicely. Obviously needs cleaning up. The edge is trimmed and everything, but we're so happy with that. That is amazing. It's just a bit of hot glue just seeped through there when I did the return, so that'll just peel off. But yeah, so glad it's come out okay. A cowl, like the top bit of the front bumper, that's come out absolutely perfect as well. Again, just needs a little clean up, but that is ready for carbon. I've got the returns here that obviously need cleaning up and cutting down. Okay, so I've got the door mould and I'm gonna pop it out, hopefully. There we have the inner. I don't know about you, Paul, but I think that come out pretty darn good.
I'm really impressed with that, considering how bad it was. I mean, you know, we only needed something that we could make a mold out of, because it's the back of the door. But that is really nice, nicely done.
You can even see where it was welded.
Yeah, and we've got the holes still. So this is where the brackets are going to be for the door openers.
Yeah.
There's the lock. Not that we need a lock.
That, I am so chuffed with that.
That's really cool.
I am so chuffed with that. Okay, so this is the other wing now, the last front wing. It's ready to pop out of the mould. So there we go, that's both left and right wings for the front of the car done. They just need trimming up and cleaning, but they'll be ready to make some carbon very soon.
Give it a couple of seconds and see what it does, and then we'll try again.
Unleash the beast.
Yeah, just for a couple of seconds.
Yeah?
Yeah, try it.
Do I just press it once or hold it?
Just hold, yeah, hold on. I think it's set to hold actually, but.
Keep going, mate.
This is all the injectors disconnected, but they're not. So. It's got RPM.
Have you just checked the back of it?
Ready?
Right.
Whoa!